up for a battle of brain, discover the science results, and tech master among us. Before we begin, here are the rules and regulations of the quiz. The quiz consists of 5 rounds. Round 1 to 4 will have 5 questions each with 2 marks per question. For each quiz, extension is used for Windows installer package. The options are .exe, .msi, .lnk, .ico.
.msi.
Correct. The second question. What is the center of mass of a uniform rod? Options are A. At the end of the rod, outside of the rod, C. At the midpoint of the rod, and none of these.
Can you repeat that?
What is the center of mass of a uniform rod? At the end of the rod, outside of the rod, at the midpoint of the rod?
Midpoint of the road.
Sorry. Acid is present in lemon. Tartaric acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid, citric acid.
Citric acid.
Absolutely right. What is the pH of saliva?
6.8.
6.8. Absolutely right. Which keyboard shortcuts is used to move the cursor to the end of a document? Control plus home, Control plus end, Control plus shift, and Control plus E.
Control plus end.
Absolutely right. Shortcut file in Windows .url, .cur, .cpl, .lnk.
Option A.
Sorry, wrong answer. Now the second question, which rule is used to determine the direction of magnetic field? Options are Ohm's law, elements are noble gases. Options are 15, B 16, C 17 and D 18.
D18.
Absolutely right. Now the fourth question is, what is the main nitrogenous waste in humans? Options are urea, B ammonia, C uric acid, and creatinine is the D option.
Urea.
Absolutely right. For configuration or installations setting in Windows, options are .cfg, B, .dmt,
.cfg.
sorry, mechanical energy. Options are generator,
25.
T is beta to DC. Convert electrical energy into a mechanical energy. It's
Motor.
sorry, the first is the answer will be considered. So before is Avogadro number. Options are 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Option B 5.022 into 10 raised to the power minus 23. Option C 6.202 into 10 raised to the power 23. And the D is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power minus 23.
Option A 6.022 into 10.
Absolutely right. Absolutely. The options are RBC. Option B is WBC. C platelets and D is plasma.
Platelets.
Absolutely right. Is used to switch between open application in Windows. Options are A Control plus Tab, B Shift plus Tab, C Alt plus F4 and D Alt plus Tab.
Alt plus tab.
Absolutely right.
Points, green 10 points and yellow 6 points.
Instrument to measure current.
Meter.
Absolutely right. The second question, reaction where metal replace hydrogen from acid.
Displacement.
Absolutely right. The third, a tube connecting mouth to stomach.
Esophagus.
Absolutely right. Now the fourth, image format 1987 used for compressed pictures and shortcut animation.
GIF.
Yes, absolutely right. The last question, process that combines multiple signals into one channel. Sorry?
Rectifier.
Sorry, wrong answer. Unit of frequency.
Hertz.
Absolutely right. The second question, acid used in car batteries.
Sulfuric.
Sulfuric acid, absolutely right. H2SO4 is called sulfuric acid. Alright. The process of formation of blood cells.
Hemoptysis.
Huh?
Hemoptysis.
Sorry, मतलब answer is correct, but the pronunciation is not correct. Hematopoiesis is the correct option. Yes, answer is correct. We have to consider it, but the pronunciation is hematopoiesis. The fourth question is first successful portable computer name.
The Osborne.
Can you please repeat?
The Osborne.
Osborne 1. Right. Absolutely right. Now the fifth question is wireless technology for short range communication. Absolutely right. All 5 questions are right. Horse.
Newton.
Absolutely right. The second question, process of obtaining pure crystals from a solution.
Sterilization.
Crystallization. Absolutely right. Third, process by which cell divide is called. Cells divide.
Meiosis.
Mitosis. Right.
Mitosis.
Right. Fourth, website test used to identify human versus bots.
Capture.
Yeah, absolutely right. Now the fifth question is cable type with high data rate, long distance and electromagnetic interference immunity.
Fiber optic.
Yes, absolutely right. Yes. The SI unit of power.
What?
Watt. Yes. Absolutely right. The second question is modern periodic law is based on.
Atomic number.
Atomic number, yes. The third question, the movement of food through esophagus.
Anastasis.
Yes, absolutely right. The fourth question is Google developed operating system.
Android.
Android, absolutely right. The last question, cable type, higher bandwidth and noise immunity than twisted pair.
Repeat the question.
Cable type, which is higher bandwidth and noise immunity than twisted pair. So in some question you have to give the answer in one word also, and in some question you have to give the answer in a complete sentence form also. Alright? So are you ready? All same? Alright? Yes. It's okay. It's considered yes. Okay. Right. Now the last question is for Red House. The question. Wrong answer. The last question answer is wrong. Okay, now for the Blue House, the first question is.
Pass.
Sorry. Now the last question.
Pass.
Alright. The first is soda.
Sodium hydrocarbonate.
Okay, absolutely right. Do you know the formula? Formula. Baking soda formula. Only for knowledge. It's okay. Now we have a last greenhouse. Are you ready? The first question is who invented the dynamo?
Rutherford.
Vacancy. Vacancy.
Sorry. And second question, who discovered oxygen?
Presley.
Best. Absolutely. Who discovered insulin? Invented the computer mouse?
Engelbart. Douglas Engelbart.
Douglas Engelbart. Right, absolutely right. Who is credited with inventing the computer programming concept of object-oriented programming, OOP?
Dr. Alan Kay.
Dr.
Dr. Alan Kay.
Yes, absolutely right. The first question is, who discovered radioactivity? Radioactivity. Pardon? Becquerel. Absolutely right. The pronunciation is Becquerel. The second question, who discovered benzene?
Faraday.
Faraday, right? The third question is, who discovered penicillin?
Fleming.
Yes, Fleming, Alexander Fleming in 1928. Absolutely right. The fourth question is, who developed the first compiler for a high-level programming language?
Grace Hopper.
Grace Hopper, absolutely right. The last question is, who founded the Free Software Foundation and developed the GNU operating system? Richard? Absolutely right. Absolutely right. The pH of neutral water. 7. Absolutely right. Which hormone regulates blood cell sugar?
Insulin.
Insulin. Absolutely right. The file extension .bak.
Batch 5.
BAK.
Backup file.
Backup file. Absolutely right. Full form of SSD.
Solid state drive.
Absolutely right. What kind of a wave is sound?
Longitudinal.
Absolutely right. Vitamin is water soluble.
Can you repeat?
Pardon? Water soluble vitamin.
Vitamin C.
C. Absolutely right. What is the mode of reproduction in bacteria?
Binary fission.
Absolutely right. Control plus shift plus escape. Okay. Post. Full form of post. Not 9th question.
Power on the cell test.
Absolutely right. Only one question, 9 questions.
And
Absolutely right. What is the molecular mass of water? Molecular mass of water. 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 Molecular.
Radium.
Absolutely right. Our organ is affected by hepatitis.
liver.
Absolutely right. Extension of .cfg.
Integration file.
Absolutely right. Full form of DNS.
Domain network service.
Domain.
Domain network system.
Domain. Okay. What is the resistance of a superconductor?
0.
Absolutely right. What is formed when acid reacts with base?
Sorry.
Absolutely right. What is the site of fertilization in humans?
Oviduct.
Absolutely right. Control plus shift plus hash plus colon.
Express.
Colon.
Date format.
Okay.
Applying date format.
Yes, absolutely right. The Newton's first law.
Inertia.
Absolutely right. Atomic number of oxygen.
8.
Absolutely right. What is the smallest bone in human body?
Stapes.
Staples. Absolutely right. CAB, sorry. C.
Windows cabinet.
Yes, absolutely right. Full form of HDD.
Hard disk drive.
Absolutely right. What is the escape velocity from Earth in kilometers per second?
9.8 meter per second.
Sorry. Which part of atom takes part in chemical reaction?
Repeat.
Which part of atom takes part in chemical reaction?
Electrons.
Absolutely right. Shape of red blood cells.
S.
Absolutely right. Shift plus F10.
Open the context menu.
Absolutely right. VoIP.
Voice over Internet Protocol.
Absolutely right. What kind of motion is shown by pendulum?
Oscillatory.
Absolutely right. What is the number of newtons in C12? Neutrons number C12.
6.
Absolutely right. What is the tube that carries urine?
Urethra.
Urethra. Right. System related file extension .cpl. .cpl.
Pass.
Full form of CSS.
Cascading style sheets.
Absolutely right. Which component store electrical energy?
Pass.
What is the boiling point of water in Celsius?
100.
Sorry?
100 Celsius.
Absolutely. Vitamin prevent rickets. Absolutely right. Control plus shift plus percentage plus colon.
What percentage for
Yes, absolutely. VPN.
Virtual private network.
Absolutely right. Only one twice protect circuit from overtime.
LP minus 1.
Absolutely right. Now the last question. Please, what is chemical name of rust?